Hello everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out your own mobile number using any mobile phone. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So here I'm using an Android smartphone, but don't worry if you're using a feature phone or a keypad mobile phone which people used to use in the older days, or still if people are using some keypad also, the tricks will work. So for this, what you need to do right now, first before proceeding, let me show you. I'm using a Vodafone SIM. As you can see in the top, it's already mentioned Vodafone. So this tricks is mainly for the Indian users. So this tricks may not works for the foreign country peoples. So if you are from the India, then definitely you can try these tricks. So for the Vodafone, if you are using a Vodafone, so what you need to do, just open the phone application or the dialer, and in the dialer you need to type *199#. Just type this number and just press the call button. So it will display your mobile number. As you can see on the top list, it will display the mobile number. So if you forgot your own mobile number, then by using these cool tricks you can find out your own mobile number very easily. So this is for a Vodafone SIM. So what about the Airtel or BSNL or Jio or Idea, which are most commonly used in India? So you can see on the right side of the screen I'll be providing. So for the Airtel, you need to open the dialer app again, and you need to type *121#, and you just press the dialer, press the call button. And for the BSNL, you need to dial *1#, and for the Jio, you need to give a missed call to 1299, and for the Idea you need to dial *147#. So these are all the respective numbers by which you can find out your own mobile number using any mobile phone. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out, and I'm sure it will gonna help you in someday. If you forgot your own mobile number, then by using these cool tricks you can easily find out your own mobile number. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.